The purpose of the accounting module is to automate the creation of accounting vouchers, which you can then import into your accounting software or ERP. There are 3 steps to complete when setting everything up. 1. Bring in your chart of accounts. 2. Create accounting rules for each transaction through account mapping. 3. Create the voucher template that matches the requirements of your accounting software. After completing these steps, you can run realized and unrealized voucher reports for your instruments in ZenTreasury, whether they are loans, leases, or FX instruments. In this video, we will first walk through how to set up the accounting module. Accounting module, Settings 1. Chart of accounts. You can add chart of account entries individually by selecting the plus sign in the top right corner. You can also import a full list of accounts using the import function. Keep in mind that you only need to bring in the accounts that relate to the transactions generated by your instruments in ZenTreasury. 2. Account mapping. Next is account mapping, where you define the accounting rules for each transaction. Here, you specify whether transactions are internal or external, positive or negative, and realized or unrealized. This is where you customize exactly how ZenTreasury posts each accounting entry. 3. Voucher template settings. The last part of the setup is creating the voucher order template. You can drag and drop the elements to create the voucher format required for exporting to your accounting tool or ERP. Each row represents one column in the voucher. Simply activate the needed rows, place them in the correct order, and save the template. More detailed settings can be found under the Voucher Settings tab. Here, you can define rules such as whether unrealized reversals appear in the same voucher, whether to use transit accounts, and what date or numbering conventions you want to apply. Now that we have completed the setup, you can start utilizing Accounting Module. You can find more support articles related to Accounting Module in ZenTreasury's support portal.